guys! So today I have a deep clean of our kitchen and I hope you enjoyed this video. When I say deep clean, it's not a thorough deep clean. It's really just going from the top of your ceiling to the floors and wiping everything down. So the ceiling fan, the walls, the molding, the cabinets, the appliances, all of that gets a good wipe down, and it's just great to do this every once in a while. As you know, if you've seen in my previous video, I have a lot of dogs. Like a lot of dogs. Like way too many dogs. Like way too many big dogs. And we have a toddler on top of that. So in order for us to stay on top of that and have a clean house, we have a cleaning calendar. If you are interested in seeing more about that, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm Sydney, this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse, and let's just roll on into the cleaning.
You are not normal at all, no. I feel like I want to let down my guard and just fall. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down? Nobody's like us. When people see us, they know. I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure. Some say love's not for the bitter ones. Some say love will only bring you down. Some say love can feel much better now, better now. But will you let me down? But will you let me down? But will you let me down? Oh yeah, oh yeah. But will you let me down?
Okay guys, I just wanted to hop on and tell you really quickly some exciting news. We are going to enter the 12 days of Vlogmas here very soon. What that is me uploading 12 videos 12 days in a row. You will not want to miss this. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure that you hit it now so you're notified when I put out these 12 videos. It is going to be crazy. I'm super excited and I'd love for you to come along with us on this journey. I also wanted to say that I am so blessed that I have a husband that wants to do this with me. This didn't start until around 8:30 at night after Sophia went to bed, and we set ourselves a 2-hour limit to just power through and get this done. You'll see him popping in and out of the video. He had the glorious job of wiping down the walls, the molding, the wainscoting, all of that fun stuff. So I would gladly clean the cabinets and the appliances over having to do that big job. So again, I'm blessed beyond measure to have such an amazing husband that wants to spend time with me and clean and keep our house tidy. Let's get back to the cleaning, and I'll talk to you here in a bit.
Sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Oh, we're leaving at midnight. I didn't know love could ever feel like this. I didn't know body shivers from a kiss. Now I know it's been so very long. 'Cause it's been forever since I felt anything.
And we've made it to the final appliance and the final set of drawers. This was a big task, but both of us were so happy when it was done. Just having that feeling that our kitchen is clean, clean, clean. We slept like babies that night after getting all of that cleaning done. It was a lot of hard work crammed into 2 hours, but we set ourselves a limit and we were able to accomplish it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. 12 days of Vlogmas are coming here shortly. I'll see you later.